Hello, my name is Lori. Welcome to my channel. We are quilters. Today on Upskill Monday, we are going to learn about Raw Edge Applique from this lovely Reader's Digest book. Let's get started with this simple technique. This technique seems so simple. It says in the book that it's recommended for beginners. I am using hand quilting thread. I am using 2 strands so that it shows up, because I would like to be able to see it. And this is actually, it's actually quite liberating. I have pinked the edges of the shape like it's suggested in the book. And I'm not worried about that not showing on the top because the corner piece will cover that up when we get to it. So I am just going to do some quick applique, about 1/8 of an inch or so away from the pinked edge. You remember those pinking shears that I found in the desk drawer that I didn't even know that I had? They are fantastic and sharp. Whoever owned them before me, whoever sold them to me at a yard sale, definitely did not let their children cut paper with them. There it is, the finished block. You can see the stitches here, here, and here. That almost seemed too easy. Nice, even, big stitches. Try it out. Let me know what you think. See you on Wednesday for Build-A-Block. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.